So you guys get the double show, basically. Yeah.
Let's get a clean start. I don't think the horns are quite ready yet. You good? Oh, you're not playing on Game of Love? Oh, at the top, right. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Really turns me on. You can't make me do right, or you can't make me do wrong. If you really mean I'm the best thing you've ever found, you can prove it by being true and never playing around. Just like you can cheat on me, I can cheat on you. There's no rule that says a game of love can be played by two. Shopping in the street, trying to bargain upon something new. But what's out there for you men is out there for us women too. Like a dog that crawls around and it licks his bone. If the shoe don't fit the size, honey, why keep trying it on? Just like you can cheat on me, I can cheat on you. There's no rule that says a game of love can be played by two. Like the old saying, give and take, you're never too old to learn. If you start to put your hands in fire, you know you're gonna get burned. If you wanna do unto me like I do unto you, then there's no chance that this romance could ever be broken into. Just like you can cheat on me, I can cheat on you. But no rule that says a game of love can be played by two. Come on. Here, it's gonna be doubling solo. Check this. I've been hurt so many times, but somehow I pulled through. But the stakes on love are just too high for me to gamble with you. I'm not trying to play hard to get, but I want you to understand. If you want to do right, woman, you got to be a do right man. Just like you can cheat on me, I can cheat on you. There's no rule that says a game of love can be played by two. Can be played, can be played, can be played by two. Can be played, can be played, can be played by two. Can be played, can be played, can be played by two. Can be played, can be played, can be played by two. No, I wasn't cueing the one. I was looking at you to see what you were cueing to.
So that figure, is it possible to play it 4 times in a row? Okay. That figure. Yeah. That's what it is. And then we end up ba-da. So just 4 times without the break in between. Exactly, yeah. Save the ba-da for the last time.
Can we just play that so I know what that is? I'm sorry, what?
Audrey was asking about
effects for the vocals. Audrey does.
Was asking about reverb.
I could take a little. Although I'm hearing it in the house now, so it's helping.
Did you want any, Joan?
No,
Okay, so Audrey, I can put some in your bottom.
just a tiny bit would be great.
Okay, thanks.
Is that clear? Yeah, exactly. Jeannie, does the arrangement include material underneath the solos? There's something that fits that part of the tune? Please come in under the guitar solo. So keyboard first, and then your first entrance will be under the guitar solo. And then out for the quiet verse. And then come back in on Can't Be Played, Can't Be Played. And then the figure as we just did it. So we'll go back to the solo section and play it out from there. Cool. All right, guys, let's take it from the solos. Yep.
No, so we do these claps again, Audrey.
Right on the keyboard solo. Bum, bum. Yeah, right on the keyboard solo. Ba-dum.
You know what? I forgot about the bottoms. So we'll let them do the bottoms, and then we'll come in with the claps.
A hair more B3 for me too. Kim, just a small.
Watch me for this solo.
Cool.
For the first one.
1, 2, 3. Jeannie, you guys are going to enter there, under the guitar solo. Nothing under the keyboard solo. Oh, the horns are. Oh, so it's in the arrangement for that whole section? Okay, tacit the first half, so you just enter on the guitar solo. Is that going to work with what you have written? Or do we need to move what's under the keyboard solo to under the guitar solo? Yeah, at that point we're in a groove. I don't want to bog down on this too much. If this is a complicated thing, we'll just skip it. Okay.
Yeah, do you think this is something we could talk down after
Right.
sound check? Because we got to move on.
Let's just run the end because we changed their part and we just need to hear it.
Okay.
Let's go from the can't be played, can't be played. Jeannie, you know where I'm at? All right, we'll end with the ending and we.
I swear, you look like